Okay, so here we have the Canon 1100D. It's a great little starter camera that I've used in the past. It comes with this kit lens here. It's a Canon, so you can put any sort of Canon lenses on it, including these larger telephoto lenses. Can record video at 720p. It's a great starter camera. It's good for the photos. It's a traditional Canon. It's got a viewfinder. What I was really wanting to show you today was how to use your Canon camera as a webcam. So Canon have released some software that allows you to use the USB port here to connect your camera. You could use a HDMI port and a cam link. There is a HDMI out, but I'm not sure if that's a clean output. But in this case, we're just going to use the Canon software to plug it in here, in this port here, USB port. And then we're going to plug it into the computer. I'm currently using a Mac, and we can download the software, get it installed and give it a try, and show how easy it is to use the Canon software if you need it for live streaming or Teams, etc. However, I think the quality would be better using a cam link, as I've heard issues. There are issues with quality using the software from Canon, but let's just try it out just to show you how easy it is to do. First off, get your USB cable and plug it into the port as shown here. Then we're going to jump to the computer and download the software. So I'll link this down below to the Canon EOS software. There you go. So for me, I want to download for Mac. Put in your details. Click here to download. There we go. We've got the software here. Extract the package. Follow all the instructions. So. Put in your password. And then you've got to give your computer a reboot. So once I've done that, I will demo what happens and show you how it all works. Okay, so we've got the camera here. I'm just going to plug this USB cable in there. So I've plugged into my computer, and I'm going to turn it on. Now we've got the software installed, so let's just jump to the computer and see if it's working. Okay, so what you want to do is put it in video mode, and you should be able to see on the screen now it's on there. I've added it to my OBS, and I had to reboot OBS just to get it working, but you can see it's working. It's decent quality. I think it's good quality for a webcam. Yeah, but the frames per second are a bit low. I feel like it's not the best, but it does the job. And if you want to level up your webcam experience, then this might be the way to go. And it's that simple. That's how easy it is to set up.